Hey everybody, it's Dusty from Corcoran Platinum Living. I just wanted to show you something real quick. You guys know I'm a data nerd, and this is something I've been watching for the last couple months, is our 10-year treasury note. Some of you may or may not know that interest rates on home purchases kind of loosely follow, almost always, except for like one time this year, the trend of the treasury notes. And so when the treasury note goes up, so do mortgage rates. When it goes down, so do mortgage rates. So I was just looking at something here and I wanted to show you guys. All right, so this is the 10-year treasury note, and I am on marketwatch.com. And I was just looking at this. This is like all of the data they have since they've been watching it, right? This is way back. This is January 2008. This goes back as far as February 2006, right? We are way over here, and you can see, let me move this little black box and use my finger, it's better. But right here, we had this sharp drop, right? And then we're starting to slowly tick back up. So those of you who were like, I'm waiting for interest rates to be under 3. Well, they went under 3, they stayed under 3, and I think they're going to start going back up again. Let me show you something else. We can look at the 3-year, and same trend line. It was way up here, and then we had this sharp drop, right? And then we can look at the 1-year. Again, here's our sharp drop. This was the lowest point here, and we're starting to tick back up. So here we are. This is 1 year, year over year. Let's go to year to date. Let me show you what this did. So this was back in January. We had this big drop, and then we had all the COVID like uncertainty and craziness. And look at, we're starting to trend back up. If I zoom out, you can see it a little better. And then if we look at the last 6 months, you can tell, hey, wait a minute, we are really going back up from where we were earlier in the summer in August when things got super crazy hot. And I haven't done the full stuff for the entire cities yet, but just in my zip code, there is an over 90% year over year increase in home sales. It's crazy. And this is where we are, the 3-month trend, that little low spot we saw in August. This is the 3-month trend. We're up here. The 1-month trend, right? It's a little more drastic now. 5 days, definitely up. Anyway, guys, like I said, interest rates, I think, are about to go up. Home prices will not go down unless we have something super crazy happen tomorrow with the election. And my guess is, this is my prediction before I make it really formal, but I think my prediction is going to be, if Joe Biden wins, interest rates will go up much higher than they are now, and we will have higher taxes. We'll have a contraction in the market. Home prices will still go up, and it will become quickly much more unaffordable for first-time home buyers and lower price points to get into their first home. And then I think the luxury market will feel the pinch as well and have a correction in the market. I think if Donald Trump wins, we will still have interest rates go up. They may not go up as much, and we will still have home prices go up. And I think the first-time home buyer and the luxury markets will stay pretty robust. So that's my personal opinion. But I think regardless of who wins, strictly looking from an Arizona standpoint, we will probably have, we're probably going to continue to have an influx of people into our state simply because our cost of living is so much lower. And it's just supply and demand. It really is. Luxury markets in high tax states are already hurting. There's lots of middle class people moving from those high tax states that can no longer afford it, even with our booming economy. And so I think if things get worse for Americans, they're going to come here. And so I think it's just the rate at which they come here, which is yet to be determined tomorrow. So go vote. And like I said, those are my predictions. I think we're going to start seeing interest rates in the mid threes sooner rather than later, especially if Biden wins. And that's my tip for the day. Watch the 10-year Treasury bond notes. Have a great day. Bye.